Welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed a video in like almost 2 weeks, I think. Today is going to be a clothing haul. I ordered from Missguided like over a month ago, and it came a while ago too. It's been sitting in my trunk. I've been meaning to do a little clothing haul for it. Honestly, genuinely do not remember what I got, like at all, not one bit. But it's a pretty big bag. I also ordered from OTD Fash. If you know of that little like boutique, they're based out of California. But I just wanted to get this over with because I still know what I got from OTD Fash, but I have no idea what I got from here. I wanted to wait and see, and it's gonna be a surprise for me as much as a surprise for everyone watching this. So let's pray that it's a good amount of stuff, because I don't know if it's gonna be like a mini haul or if it's gonna be like a regular haul. Don't remember what I got. Don't know if it's pants, don't know if it's bathing suits, don't know if it's shirts. I got no idea. And like the only receipt that I got was from like the delivery company, not even like what I got from like Missguided them like itself. That was not in barely English, barely. I'm also going to be trying on everything. Obviously, I'm not going to leave you hanging with a boring talking like whatever. So let's get right into. So before I get in the bag, I'll show what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this t-shirt that I got from H&M. It's just a slim fit one, and then I have all my boyfriend's Ithaca's from Zumiez, and I have Crocs on. Not really fashion statement, but I'm not excited because I have no idea what I got. I don't remember what I got. All this is like looking not familiar at all. So I'll pull out this first. Oh, it's just the Missguided little figure that I got. So the first thing is Bad Influence graphic t-shirt. I got this US too. Oh yes, now I remember. This one's mad cute. It's just Bad Influence. It says Hotline Girl 06/23/2017. It's just a regular graphic tee. This is on the back though. It just has like palm trees. It's a cute like Polaroid like vintage type picture on it. It's mad cute. The front is just plain black, and it's just like an oversized t-shirt. This gray t-shirt. It's called the Twist Front Long Sleeve Crop Top. Also, the packaging is kind of cute. I never got from this guy before, but their little symbol is pretty cute. I'm bugging. Oh, I found it. I don't remember this. I don't remember ordering this. Oh, this is cute. Oh, okay, now I remember. This looks a little big. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I got this in a 6. What was I thinking? It is cute. It's just gray, long sleeve crop top, and it kind of twists in the front. It's mad cute though. It's mad cute. I hope it fits, but I don't think it's going to be honest. This is a bralette. Oh, I got 2. Okay, I'll do that one after. I'll do the gray one first. It's a scoop neck bralette. Oh, this is cute, cute, cute. Okay, so it's just a regular bralette, wears a crop top, whatever. It's still cute though. I like the color of this gray. I like the wash of it. And I think this is the same thing. I could be wrong. Scoop neck bralette, yeah, this one also, but just in white. And this one's cute. It looks like it'll be a little see-through, but I think it'll be okay. I like the material on it. Yeah, I got this one the same size, yeah. I've got 2 bralettes. You definitely have to wear a bra underneath, because I feel like that's definitely going to be see-through. Oh, this is the same thing as the gray one that I just got as well. This is the twist front long sleeve crop top, but in black. No, I got this one in a 4. Maybe they were out and I just got the next size up. I don't know. I don't know what my logic was when I was ordering this stuff. So it's just the same thing. Long sleeves with the little twists in the front. The twist is cute. I thought it would be more like, I don't know how to explain it, more like twisted, I guess. You see what I'm talking about? It's gonna be cute though. Like, I like that it's in the front and then it goes to like down low in the back. You can see. She cute. She cute. Ooh, I remember this shirt because this shirt mad cute online. This is the petite polka dot mesh puff bar dot. Correct me if I'm wrong. B-A-R-D-O-T. Bardot. I got this in a 4. I feel like this material doesn't look very... You hear that? It sounds like a Halloween costume. I'm scared. Oh, that's why. Oh my god. Because this was in it. That's why it sounded like that. Sorry, Missguided. I'm just kidding. Oh! Oh, it's a bodysuit. I did not know that. I did not know that this was a bodysuit. That's even cuter. I like. So it's like a little off the shoulder. It's polka dot and then it has little ruffles at the end. This is... I've said cute like 10 million times, but this is mad cute. Like, look. And it's really... It's not too stretchy, but like it has a little stretch. I love it. And it has like the little cutout around the boobs. And this is the back. That's so cute. The material really doesn't feel that bad. And it cinches right at the wrist and then flares out a little bit. Love it. This is my last thing. So this is the last thing I got. I can already kind of tell what this one is. I don't remember exactly what it said on it, but this is the Beautiful Existence butterfly sweatshirt. So it is already August, so I feel like I did order a lot of long sleeve stuff, so like it's okay, because I feel like summer's almost over, I feel like. Which is sad to say. And this is big. This is huge. I got this in a medium. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't realize it said that. It says, remove this tag. There's no returning me. I'm yours forever. Please recycle me. That's cute. That's cute. Listen to me. And this is huge. This is huge. I think it's supposed to be oversized. I think that's the point of it. But it says Beautiful Existence, 1975, Milan, Paris, Los Angeles, New York, London. Look how cute it is. I love it. I love butterflies too. The blue butterfly emoji. I know it's like basic emoji, whatever, but like I love it. And then the back is just plain white, long sleeve. It's really nice actually. The inside is really fuzzy and it's really thick too. So that's so good. That's so good. Was tops. I didn't get any bottoms or anything. I got one bodysuit, 2 bralettes, 2 twist tops. That's all I got.